Hi guys, this is going to be one incredibly fast video. I spent really long time making a post, an article for my website, a guide on how to enter the old Charlemagne's. I spent maybe 4 hours writing it into Word and taking pictures from my video that I'm editing at the moment. And because I'm a perfectionist, I had to make it the way I like it, and it took really long time. Anyway, when I published it, my website broke like this, and I started looking on internet because I couldn't believe that a article could break it. So I started looking everywhere, trying to find what the hell is the damn problem. First, I started actually disabling the add-ons because when you click on learn more about the troubleshooting WordPress, it tells you that probably some of your add-ons. So I disabled all of my add-ons and I narrowed it down to one. I saw a video of how to fix it. I hoped I saw a video of how to fix it, but it ended up being a video of another add-on which is doing the same thing I did, which is disabling and starting to enable one by one add-ons to see which add-on actually is. I found the add-on, but the problem is that my website cannot work without add-on, and I couldn't find a solution on how the hell to fix it. So I was like, well, I can try fixing what I think is the problem, although it sounds really stupid. And I did quick edit and sent my article to draft. The main problem got solved. When you click refresh, my website is back to normal. Here it is, working fine without the last post that I did. I have no idea what the problem with that post is. Maybe something broke while I was making it. I have no idea. I spent really long time making that post, but it broke, and I just didn't want to believe that that's the problem. But here we go. That's the problem. The post is the reason why my website is not working. So, just in case you have such a problem, disable the last post you did. Maybe it will fix it. Okay, guys. So that's how you fix it. If suddenly your website breaks, don't hesitate. Send to draft the last post you did. Maybe it will fix it like it did for mine. Because I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure it out, and it ended up being the first thing I thought. But just because it sounds stupid doesn't mean it actually is. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit my website. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.